Hey guys, welcome back to the Node Study video. Guys, in this video, we will discuss when you try to download or install apps from App Store after iOS 18 update, you may face a problem that verification failed. So how can you fix it? So guys, we can fix it very easily. So simply guys, first of all, you may just open the settings of your iPhone or iPad, and guys, you make sure that you have an active internet connection. After this guys, here is the option of general, and click on software update, and you may turn off beta updates, and you may download to normal or official update. Then guys, you may scroll it down, and here is the option of background app refresh, so you may turn this on. Then here is the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Click here, click on reset, and click on reset network settings. Then guys, you may go back, and you may just click here on your Apple account, and you may click here on logout or sign out, and you may sign in again. And then guys, you may go back, and you may just open your app store, and you may try to download or install any app, and you may check your problem will be fixed, and now you can download or install any app easily. So let's check. Yes, I want to download this app, so you may check your problem has been fixed and verification failed error has been removed, and now you can download or install any app easily. So by all these methods guys, you can fix it very easily. So this is the video guys. For more videos, please subscribe our channel.